Forgotten username recovery, failed on TipRanks Fix. If you've forgotten your TipRanks username, most people panic and try random guesses, but the recovery process is much simpler than you think. Step 1. Go to the TipRanks login page and click on Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. TipRanks will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather key information such as your full name, recent activity, or the last digits of your linked payment method. TipRanks support can use these details to verify your identity and help you recover your username manually. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam and promotions. Follow the recovery instructions carefully. Avoid submitting multiple requests at the same time, as this can slow the process. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact TipRanks support directly. Provide all verification details and explain that the recovery attempt didn't work. Their team will securely guide you through the next steps to regain access. After recovering your username, enhance your account security. Enable two-factor authentication and store your credentials safely in a password manager. This ensures you won't face the same problem in the future. By following these steps, you can regain access to your TipRanks account quickly and continue tracking stocks and market trends without disruption. A forgotten username is just a temporary hurdle that can be fixed efficiently.